Hello everyone, it's a beautiful evening and we are getting some work done on our roof, just getting some shed work done. And Laila behind you, again introductory video for her. She knows how to climb these stairs. They have a gap, basically, that's what I'm trying to say. There's a gap here, so Gogo, because of his short limbs, doesn't climb, so we carry him whenever we come up. And this girl here, Millie, is actually trying to somehow climb, but she's scared. Millie? Wait, I'll show you. I think she's made an effort. Good girl, Millie. Come up, please. Come up. Come. Probably one step at a time. She won't feel scared. Yay! Yay! That's an achievement. आओ, chalo. Good girl. Good girl. Well done. Yeah. Good. So earlier we had like these bamboos that were acting as I'm falling short of words. This acts as a framework. Yeah, like a frame. And this bamboo was grown here. And I can show you around. The farm is sort of surrounded also by bamboos. Do you see all of this? And this is where we got all our bamboo logs from. How cool, right? This discussion with these people has been going on for like 2 hours now. So I'm just here chilling with our little friends because it's quite boring to sit at home when the weather and the surroundings outside are like so inviting, right? And this is my boyfriend top. I like it. Tell me how you like it. Miss Laila, fastest girl to climb the stairs. Dart padi thi na, so she went down. She had tried to coop here. Besties. They really get well, like they get along really well. A lot of calls being made. I feel like I'm one of these. I'm one of Millie, Gogo and Laila's friend because I'm really not bothered about how to get things done. But I'm just around trying to ease the environment. Keep it chill. Okay, I'm stepping down to show you the bamboos actually from a closer distance. It hasn't rained actually today, but beautiful sky. So let me start actually from the entrance. I'm standing actually beneath a bamboo arch. Let me show it to you. Now you see that arch that I'm talking about? That's all bamboo. And now if we go a little inside, hey, now you see it, right? Doesn't this look like a cave? Everyone here knows the location as, I don't know, bamboo house. वो जहाँ पे बहुत सारे बांस लगे हैं. हाँ हमें पता है, things like that. तो but I think we should have something which has a deeper meaning. But this is actually like a landmark of our location. I remember showing our khet to you in January this year. So now the season has changed and our khetiwalas have sown bhutta. So we can expect a lot of corn this season. I mean, it's a regular for our farm. So all of these green saplings, these plants are corn. and they are sown between our guava and mango trees. Let me know what else would you like me to make my vlogs on, what can I talk to you guys about, and please share your feedback because that's important. You know, I don't get to know what's happening, whether you're liking it or not. And I think I will end my vlog with this and probably see you again soon. I can't believe this. There's no one on the roof. And these three poor babies, how are they just here? Because Laila can climb down really quick. Acha, I will take Gogo. I will take you, Gogo. ठीक है? Laila, Millie, chalo. That's how he comes in my goatee. Alle, alle. Poor bugger. Poor bugger. Poor bugger. Can't even climb up the stairs.